Isabel. She is a 6.5-year-old black lab, and she comes to work with me every day at our family's lumber yard, and she likes to help out. Isabel, can you go get me a roll of duct tape? That's my girl. Good job. Okay, Izzy, could you go get me a paintbrush? Paintbrush. That's my girl. Set it down. Good girl. Okay, can you do one more thing? Can you go get brackets? Izzy, go get the brackets? No, other aisle. They're over here. Come on. Brackets are over here. I'm coming. I'm coming. Good girl. Good girl, Isabel. Sit. Sit. Can you say hello to America, huh? Vote for me? Thanks. Bye.